My name is Alejandro Vidales, and I'm studying HVAC here at CBT at Color Bay. I've gotten a couple certifications. One of the main important ones is my universal certification, meaning I'm allowed to work on small appliances, low pressure appliances, and commercial and industrial. Some other certifications that we've taken which are very important is OSHA. OSHA is a 10-hour course which is all about safety. Without knowing about safety, you can't work in this type of industry. Safety is always important. I've also done brazing and soldering, low voltage certifications. If you're very techy, if you're a hands-on person who likes to be busy all the time, HVAC offers that. And HVAC is not something that's too complex, but as long as you stick your time and dedication to it, it's a career that in the future can benefit you a lot.